Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Cloud Thinking. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like seeing these tutorial videos. Go ahead and show your support. I would greatly appreciate it. Today's video is going to be on the Quick Access Toolbar. Now the Quick Access Toolbar, there's not a lot to this toolbar, so it will not take a long time to actually go through, but there are some key points that I would like to discuss. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So up top is where the Quick Access Toolbar is. As you can see, I have several options actually selected. Now, by default, when you first open up Word and you have not actually modified this, you're only going to see 3 buttons. You're going to have Save, Undo, and Redo. But, of course, by clicking this arrow right here, you can customize and add whichever buttons that you would like. Now, all of these really come in handy if you want to add them across, and they'll just line up along here. But the typical ones are, of course, Quick Print, Print Preview, Spelling and Grammar if you want to do the shortcut and you don't want to actually have to go over to Review and select it here. And, of course, you leave Undo, Redo because those you use quite often in Microsoft. And that's going to be your options right here. Alright, so of course your save icon, that is always very important, and one thing I cannot stress enough is save early, save often. That is the #1 rule to Microsoft Office productivity software. If you're doing anything, every now and then you want to go up here and save. Okay, so other options: draw table, touch mouse mode, so in case you have touchscreen. More commands, and you can click that and it brings up a ton of more commands that you can actually add. And what you will do is you'll just go down through here, find what you want. So if you want any other additional commands to be there as a shortcut, you can actually select them and you can just go ahead and add them over, and it'll actually add it to the options displayed for you within your drop down. Now this one, since I added it, goes ahead and adds it right here too. So, and as you can see, if you deselect Print Preview, that disappears. And of course we want to add it back because that's usually the option that I go for. If I know that my formatting is right and everything, the print icon will just simply go ahead and send it to the printer. I do not have an actual printer set up, so it's not going to be able to find anything. But Print Preview lets you go ahead and select different options. Of course, customize your actual printout as you see fit. And right now, of course, I don't have a printer, so I have it sent to create a PDF upon print. So we'll back out, and you have another option here where you can actually show below the ribbon, and it'll move this down here and give it some color. So that's actually it for today's video. It is not very long, as I said. The Quick Access Toolbar is not too difficult to understand. I would suggest taking some time and going through and, of course, just selecting and customizing yours. You don't really respect the amount of time that you save until you actually have your options there, and you just, you have the shortcuts there that you can go and use the ones that you consistently use. Alright, so, and thanks again everyone. If you haven't already, go ahead, like, share, subscribe, use their support, and have a good night.